Hello everyone, welcome back to the True Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Steam Deck is having stuck on loading screen or boot screen and how we can fix this out. So what we have to do is just follow the instruction. First one, we have to restart the Steam Deck in order to fix the issue. For restarting the Steam Deck, just click over here. Now from here navigate to Power, select Power. From here go to Restart. Now from here, tap on restart and you can you can go for restart. After restart, check whether it's going to fix the issue or not. It will be fixed. Next one is all about, you have to change the display setting. If you've been set into any frame rate which is very high, definitely that is also an issue which is causing for some game when you're trying to play. So it is very important. There should not be the display refresh rate is another factor which is contributing to Steam Deck's lagging. So we have to reduce it. That is very important step. So you have to change the refresh rate to 30 Hz and ensure that you reserve for the device is having 30 refresh rate as well. For that, you can go to display over here. So go to settings. Now from here, you just have to go to display, and over here you have to set all the details like you have to set as well as, and also you can go over here in order to change the refresh rate or frame rate and all those things which can be done from here as well. So you can set all these things, and which is very important in order to completely sort the issue out. This is what you have to do. Parallelly, you have to make sure that you're having enough battery, or you have to change the battery. So if you're having enough battery, keep it the same so you can try to play the game. So for the couple of days, if you're having an issue with the battery or the battery is draining up too fast, the next is all about, you have to completely change the battery. That is what you have to do, because this can also cause the issue up. Next one is all about, you have to power cycle your reboot, which means you have to force restart the reboot. For that, you have to press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds. When you press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, then what happens is this will be set into force restart. After a force restart, you can check whether that's going to fix the issue as well. Next one, check the power connection. This is very important step as well. And also you have to make sure that is the power connection. When it comes to the power connection, so you have to make sure that when you're charging the Steam Deck, at least keep it for 2 to 3 hours. And you should not be using in between that. That is very important as well. And also you have to check whether did you go through any kind of damage. For example, any damages on the charger or any damages on any other peripherals that can also cause these kind of issues. So this is not much important. So these are the possible basic troubleshoots which can be done from your end in order to take this up. Even after trying all these things, if you're still having a lot of trouble, which I recommend you is to talk to the Steam support, and you can talk to them and they're going to help you guys out if you're having an issue, and this is what you have to do. So these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.